Alright everyone, so underneath the Honda Pilot you've got these bolts, these two bolts here on both sides. There's usually a plastic splash guard that goes under here. This is the front bumper. But there's these two bolts, and then there's this third bolt here. We're gonna loosen these two bolts. I'm not sure if we need to loosen all three yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, take it off from here, and we're gonna do the same on that side, and then we'll go get the brush guard and see if that's where the bolt holes actually line up. So we'll get started doing that. Hey everyone, welcome back. So we got the brush guard assembled. Chloe and Jonathan is going to be sanding this and scuffing it up just a little bit. I would go with the chrome look, but it's not the look I'm going for, so I'm going to do it satin black from Rust-Oleum. Obviously, I don't use anything other than Rust-Oleum really. Duplicolor, actually I use Duplicolor, but this one will be Rust-Oleum. I did cut myself pretty good, so got me a cool little Princess Poppy band-aid. And we're gonna get this thing scuffed and then paint it black, and then we'll get it put on. Got the brush guard sanded and painted. We went with the satin black, but then ran out and I didn't feel like going to the store, so I just went ahead and shot it with the same liner that I shot on my wheels, just the spray liner from Rust-Oleum. Then we put the rubber guards back on. Looks good, it's dry, so now we're going to go ahead and mock it up. These bolt holes, it bolts all right up in there. We're going to tighten it all down after we test fit, make sure it all fits. But basically it just bolts up like that. There's no other videos out there really explaining how to do this, so I'm trying to get it to the best I can. But from the front end it looks like this, and then the other part will bolt up to this. So we're gonna see if it actually bolts up how it's supposed to now. As you can see, it looks really good, fits it really well. So it's $200 on eBay. I don't remember the brand, just $200 eBay one. Really solid, really sturdy. I'll show you what I did. As you can see back here where that orange looking bolt is, I unbolted that. It's a 12mm. Did the same thing on that side, and then we bolted that bolt in. It had to be a little bit longer, so I just found a couple 12mm I had laying around that were a little bit deeper. Like the thread pitch was the same, but it just needed to be deeper. And then it comes out to here, the extra support, and then we use the fasteners it came with on both sides. As you can see, the Rhino line turned out really good out of the can. Obviously, just like the wheels. It's really solid, looks really good, should be pretty durable. But we are going with a different theme, as usually I do something a little bit different here and there. Well, this one, I'm doing Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. If you don't know what that is, Google Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Watch it on Netflix, watch it on Hulu. Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. is awesome. It's a Marvel thing, so if you're not a Marvel fan, then you might become one. It's pretty awesome. It ties into the Avengers, Infinity Wars, all of it. But Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., they have a satin black wrapped Acura MDX with a brush guard and nice wheels, a side step, exhaust system on it, all that good stuff, and it has the S.H.I.E.L.D. emblems. I'm doing that with this. I haven't seen a Honda Pilot one done, so I'm going to do it. Instead of going with the wrap, I'm obviously going to be doing the whole thing Rhino line, give it a little more rigidity. And then on top, it's going to have the same bar as what's on the Acura MDX for the light bar, and so on and so forth. But I did in fact cut the exhaust on this and got a new exhaust for it. Let me unlock it here. I'll show you the new exhaust. I haven't got it put on because the exhaust shop's been backed up worth of work, and I don't trust myself with exhaust work. My welds suck. But this is basically it. Just a cheap $33 eBay muffler with a 5.5 inch tip, oval, and it looks really good. I'll try to hold it up here for you guys. It'll look really good on here, kind of stealthy up there. The big canister part will be painted black, scuffed up real good like we did the brush guard, and paint it black, and this tip will stay shiny.
but it doesn't sound bad the way it is. I mean, I cut it off, but it's still too quiet, so we're gonna go with the resonator delete, which is massive on these things. But yeah, this thing's gonna be pretty unique, and a lot of Marvel fans are gonna like it, and I myself, my family, we love it already. Every day it seems to be getting better though. I'll give you a little ref clip so you can hear it. It does sound better. I gave it a fresh oil change. I went through and tuned it up the best I could. But thanks for watching the channel, everyone. Like, subscribe, share if you haven't already, and stay tuned because we got a lot more coming.